So hello everyone, I hope that you people are fine and doing great. So in this video, I want to tell you all regarding the preference order, like how you should fill. The general trend which people fill is either Pune, then either Kolkata, then either Mohali or Bhopal, then they fill Tiruvananthapuram, Tirupati and Berhampur. So generally they fill like this, but you must keep in mind that this is not always true because preference order completely depends on you, and also it is very naive to say that either Berhampur is not good or either Pune is very good. So you should not think like that because all the Izers are equally good. And believe me when I say this, any student of Iser will agree to this because all the professors at all the Izers, be it Iser Pune or Iser Berhampur, they have the same qualification. They are means at Berhampur also you will get professor with so much of publication, and same at Iser Pune means it's all the matter of choice because all eyes are totally equal. So your preference should never be like this, which I told you just now. It must be based on your interest and your factors, like some people keep Aizer Mohali at their top priority because it's near to their home. So yeah, that may be the case, but please don't think that Aizer Pune is very good and Aizer Bhopal is not that much good, or Aizer Berhampur is the worst Aizer. No, it's not like that. Really, it's not like that. I have been to Aizer Berhampur. I know Aizer Berhampur very well. I have worked there. I have met the professors. I have met the students. Really, there's no difference. For example, if I'm getting 120 marks in IIT and you are getting 118 marks, that doesn't mean that you are full and I'm very great. That's the only difference between us and them. So stop thinking that either Berhampur अच्छा नहीं है. It's the same case like in NEET. We say ना that MBBS is very good and BDS is not good. अच्छा BDS मिला है, कम नंबर आया होगा. No, कम नंबर नहीं आया है. BDS भी बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करने पे मिलता है. If you are getting 600 and you get MBBS and someone with 590 marks is getting BDS, so that's the competition. खराब मार्क्स 200 नंबर होता है, 590 मार्क्स लाने वाला खराब नहीं है. The same case is with Aizer Berhampur. Do not think that it's a bad institute. It really is a best institute, and the plus point is that it's a new institute, so you will get everything fully furnished there, and it's so beautiful. It's away from city, and there is so much greenery, and there are many kevra plants all around, and professors are so great. I met with Chavan sir. He's a professor there. So he's really a very good professor. I have been there. I have been to their labs, and their labs are really very good. They have all the equipments. They have every facility. They have most funding. So it's overall, it's the very good institute. People who are from Orissa, they must go there because it will be near to your city also. So you must fill Berhampur, and you must take. Do not do this mistake to not take Berhampur if you are getting Berhampur, because feel fortunate that you are getting Aizer Berhampur, because many people are not getting, and Aizer Berhampur is really a great institute. That's for sure. Now, this point is clear. Now, the next point is that if you are interested in doing BS Economics, I have made a video on BS Economics. It's a very good branch. So, if you are aiming for placement, I have told you that ISERs won't give you placements because ISERs are not made for placements. ISERs are made for research. So, you will get PhD opportunities, very good PhD opportunities from ISER. It will make a very good foundation for you. But don't think that you will get very lucrative placements from ISERs. No, it's not true. But if you want good placements that I have told you about BS Economics, I have made a video on that. You must join BS Economics for that. BS Economics is offered only at Aizer Bhopal, and if you get BS Economics, then be sure that you will get a good placement, because BS Economics is a very trending and demanding course. Placements is very good. Professors here are so good of BS Economics, and if you want to do research, then also BS Economics is very good because you have two paths: either go to research or go to companies placements. In that BS Economics video, I have told you about MBA also, that how you will be benefited if you do BS Economics. So you can go and watch that. So if you are aiming, and yeah, people who have PCM, maths is compulsory to apply for BS Economics, because whole BSM economics course is maths oriented, means it is maths to है उस course में. Being biology student, I I saw their course and मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था. I was not able to do, and I think that's the reason that PCB students are not allowed to fill the form for BS Economics. So if you are math student, then you should think about this. Personal opinion is that my personal opinion is that BS Economics is much better than BS Engineering or BTech Engineering of many colleges in terms of placement. So if you want BS Economics, then you have to fill IISER Bhopal as your first preference, and you should be maths. You should be maths student from your 11th and 12th. Now, let's come to BS Engineering. So if you are aiming for BS Engineering, then again, IISER Bhopal offers BS Engineering. So if you are aiming for BS Engineering, then again, you have to fill IISER Bhopal in first place. IISER Bhopal is the only institute which offers BS in Natural Sciences, BS in Economics, and then BS in Engineering Sciences. And for Natural Sciences, it's integrated course, that is BSMS. But if you are doing BS Economics or BS Engineering, then also you have the opportunity to extend your BS to MS. They give you that opportunity, so you can also do integrated course after coming here. So for people who want BS Engineering, again, you have to fill this IISER Bhopal in your first preference, because if you'll not fill IISER Bhopal in your first preference and you fill IISER Pune, then of course you will get IISER Pune, because that's your first priority. So fill the preference according to your interest. Again, if you are aiming for BS Economics, then fill IISER Bhopal in first place, not IISER Pune, Kolkata, or Mohali. Because if you fill all these things in first, second, third preference, then of course you will get that, and your BS Economics will be gone. So that's very important. You should keep that in mind. And if you want to follow that normal trend, then that is, if you are only interested in natural sciences and not engineering and economics, then being IISER Bhopal student, I must tell you that IISER Bhopal has the maximum publications in chemistry. So my personal opinion is that IISER Bhopal is best for chemistry. So if you have a deep interest in chemistry, then you can come here at IISER Bhopal. So similarly, if you are very much interested in biology, then actually all the IISERs are very good. There is no subject wise preference, but the general preference is that uh, if you are interested in biology, then go to Pune. If you are interested in chemistry, go to Bhopal. Physics, go to this Kolkata. But it's not like that. All the IISERs have very good facility, and you can come wherever you want to come. So that's all I wanted to convey to you all in this video. I hope that this video was helpful. And yeah, one most important thing, that people who are OBC, I think that you know the difference between OBC and OBC NCL. So people who are OBC NCL and they have not provided OBC NCL certificate while filling the form, then they must produce that OBC NCL form in that format only, which IISER Bhopal, means which any IISER takes, or else your admission will be cancelled at the time of document verification. So because this has happened with many students, so I told you people. And that's all for today. I hope that this video was helpful. So bye. I'm having exams, so bye.